In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a card on Trello. Whether you're new to Trello or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this, you'll be managing your tasks more effectively using Trello's simple but powerful features. Let's begin by heading over to Trello.com. This is the home base for all your project management needs. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in located at the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that button. Now you're at the login page. Trello offers several convenient ways to sign in. You can use your Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack accounts. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can log in using your email address. Choose the method that's best for you and get logged in. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to the board where you want to add a card. Open up the Trello board of your choice. Trello boards are a fantastic way to organize your tasks and projects. Each board contains various lists that help you sort your tasks into different stages or categories. Take a moment to identify which list you want to add your card to. This is an important step as it ensures your card is placed exactly where it needs to be in your workflow. Now locate the Add a Card button at the bottom of the list you've chosen. This button is your entry point to adding new tasks or items to your project. Clicking this button will bring up a text field. Here you can enter the title of your new card. Be descriptive yet concise in naming your card. An effective title will clearly convey the task or item, making it easily recognizable at a glance. Once you've typed in the title of your card, you have two options. You can press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Add Card button. Either action will create the new card, placing it right into the list you selected. And there you have it, your new card is now part of your Trello board, ready to be filled with details, comments, due dates, or any other information you need to keep track of your projects. With these easy steps, you can seamlessly add new tasks to your Trello workflow. It's as simple as navigating to your board, choosing the right list, and adding your card with a title. Now that you know how to add a card to Trello, you're all set to keep your projects organized and on track. Thank you for watching, and happy Trelloing.